Use blue painter's tape to hang your wall stencil. Make sure it's straight with a clip-on stencil level. Acrylic paint provides great coverage, so you don't have to put a lot of paint on your roller. Pour a small amount of paint onto your plate and evenly load your 2-inch dense foam roller. If there is any excess paint, offload it onto a paper towel. We are going to start with our leaf portion of the stencil. We will be stenciling them with olive green acrylic paint by Folk Art. We choose olive green whenever we are stenciling plants because it best represents the true leaf color. Lightly roll the paint over your leaves. Don't press too hard or you will get bleed under your stencil. We want to give the leaves some dimension, so we are going to shade them with raw umber acrylic paint by Folk Art. Take a 3¼ inch professional stencil brush and dip the tip into the paint. Now swirl it around on the plate, working the paint into the bristles. You only want a small amount of paint on your brush. Now, all you have to do is pounce the brush on the tips and bottoms of the leaves. It's that easy. This simple and quick painting technique really enhances the appearance of your leaves. Time to move on to our 3-dimensional lemons. You are not going to believe how easy it is to stencil realistic looking lemons. Take your dark yellow acrylic paint by My Studio and fill in your lemons. Now, take the stencil brush with raw umber and shade one side of your lemon to create a shadow. You can add a little extra shading towards the bottom as well. Make sure the side you choose to shade is consistent with every lemon. On to our final step, adding a tiny bit of white for some shine. Dry brush a little bit of Navajo White by Benjamin Moore on the opposite side of the shadow. This should only be about 1 inch. Align your stencil with the registration marks and repeat. Stenciling is an easy and cost-effective alternative to wallpaper. Avoid the hassle of applying and removing wallpaper, and instead, use the stenciling technique to get the same exact look for less.